Thank you for joining me for the fourth lesson in masking tools for Topaz Studio. In this one, I just want to show you the basic mask tools that occur when you bring up an adjustment mask or any of the masks that we see pretty consistently, these tools that you see here. So in the mask menu, which is here, as opposed to the adjustment menu, which is here, you have an eyeball just like you do above, and this toggles whether the mask is being applied or not. Next over is an icon, and when you click on that, it inverts your mask. So if I click on that now, you'll see that from white everything goes black. If I had a gradient, a black and white gradient going through here, let me try that again. And I inverted it, you can see the change that occurs. So it just flips everything that was black to white and everything that was white to black. And if you had a 20% gray, it would become 80% gray. Next over is a hamburger menu, and in that one it allows you to copy the mask that you have, or if you have a saved mask, you can paste it. Now that works well for some types of adjustments, but not for others. Just be aware of that if you try to take the mask that we create in this dehaze adjustment and try to apply it to a texture or a text, it may not work. So the next one over is to reset the mask. So if I'd had a mask that I drew black on and I set my dehazing strength up, it would prevent, of course, the dehazing effect to take place anywhere I drew black. Let me invert that, and you'll see the opposite's true there. Now wherever the white squiggle is showing through the dehazing effect, but not elsewhere. And if I click the reset mask, it goes back to its beginning state of all white. Next up, we have the different ways to create masks with a brush, spot, gradient, choosing a color or color range, choosing a luminosity or a luminosity range. And the next one over is adjusting the mask further, refining it. So we'll look at each of those individually in the coming lessons. And then of course, once you've made all your adjustments, you can either click up here to collapse it or click the word done.